So for solving the inequality, I think a lot of you already solved it already. So just take note, you need to break this apart. This modulus graph have got two equations there. Okay, so this one will be y equals to b x minus a, or it will break into y equals to minus b x minus a. It doesn't take long for you to know that the graph of this, to find this intersection here, there's only one intersect, right? There's only one intersect, right? So this intersection here, you just take the y equals to b x minus a, because it's positive sloping. This one is negative sloping. But of course, you don't just based on this, because sometimes this one will be negative x. So you just expand out. If you're not too sure, just expand. This gradient here is positive. Wait, I cannot assume b is positive. Is b positive? Yeah, b are positive. So b is a positive constant. That's why you get this part here. So if you want to find this intersection point, so to find the intersection point, what you need is take this equation here and solve with this equation. Now you will get two solutions, right? You get two solutions because when you take this line equation and intersect with the rational function there, you will cut here as well. Okay, so just take note now. You need to reject one. So you need to eyeball this. Whatever intersection you find, this must be bigger than a. Okay, this x here will be bigger than a. Take note because a is here. Okay, so just take note of that. So essentially what you get is b x minus a. Now, like I say many times, A-level questions are typically like that. Very elegant because you're working, you don't need a lot. It's heavily relying on concept. So if your concept screwed, you pretty much screwed here. You see this one is a very easy equation to solve, right? This will be x minus a square over 1 over b. Plus minus, this will be plus minus 1 over square root b. And then x is just a plus 1 over root b, or a minus 1 over root b. So just reject this one because it has to be bigger than a, like we already established, as x has to be bigger than a. So this intersection point here actually a plus 1 over root b. Okay, not too bad lah. You need to find that. Then after that, you just want the rational function to be smaller. Rational function to be smaller is anything below the modulus graph is here. Let me just draw it out. It's just here, below here, and then the rational function below here. Okay, so don't forget the one on the left, left tail also below. So essentially your solution that you're looking at from graph, part 2, from graph, is less than 1 over x minus 2 is less than b x minus a when x is smaller than a, or x is there's no equal sign, x is bigger than a. Okay, there you go. There's your answer there.